Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 56.
Alright, so the next section we're talking about today is constructing perpendicular lines, but you already know how to construct perpendicular lines, so I want to give you a challenge before we've even talked about this section. See if you can construct a 45-45-90 triangle.
Well, I'm going to need a perpendicular line.
Okay.
So I'm just going to draw just a line, random line. Then I hope I don't run off the paper.
Yeah, I think that line might be a little too long, but that's alright. We'll make do.
There.
Okay.
Whoopsies.
Alright, that's alright. We'll just pretend that you can that those intersect.
We would need both, but
Right, we do need both. So, all right. So we have once you have the intersections, what do you need to do?
you need to connect them.
Okay.
So I guess we'll just have to eyeball it.
Yeah.
So that looks about right.
Yeah. Okay. I'll hold it steady as it intersects off the paper. If we weren't filming, we could actually redo it and make a chart. Okay. So now you've constructed a 90-degree angle. Okay. Very good. Now, how are you going to make a 45-45-90 triangle? Now, that is the tricky part here.
Well, I'm going to use this distance here, this from here to here. I'm going to capture this distance. Here. And then I'm going to put it up here. So actually we're going to have two, but I'll connect up this one.
Okay. How do we know that that is a 45-45-90 triangle?
Well,
right
because
triangle?
we made a perpendicular line.
Okay.
And I captured this distance, then put it here, so these are the same.
Okay.
And it's an isosceles triangle, which means that these are the same. This is already 90, so these have to be 45.
Very good. Good job. And you mentioned that this one over here would also be a 45-45-90 triangle. Why is that?
Well, actually, when we connect up this line, we actually make two 45-45-90s. There's this one. And then there's this big one, because this is a 90-degree angle too, this whole thing.
Interesting.
And these are 45.
But why is this triangle over here, this one, a 45-45-90 also?
Well, this is a perpendicular bisected. These are the same circle, but flipped around.
Okay, because that was a perpendicular bisector. So believe it or not, you made a very interesting observation. Not only do you construct one this way,
three.
you construct three. How interesting. All right, good job.